In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide properties in Notion. If you're looking to tidy up your workspace and streamline your database views, hiding and unhiding properties is an essential skill. Let's jump straight in and walk through this process together. To start, open your connected workspace in Notion. This workspace serves as your hub for all things wiki, docs, and projects, so it's the perfect place to begin. Once you're there, if you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do so. Find the Login button on the main page and simply click it to enter your credentials. This quick step ensures that you're all set to make changes to your databases. Now that we're logged in, navigate to the Notion home. This is your command center, where you can access all your pages and databases. From here, take a moment to locate the database you wish to modify. Notebooks or projects can start to look cluttered with too much information, so this step helps you focus on which database needs a bit of a cleanup. Once you've found the desired database, click on it. You'll notice a list of properties associated with each item or entry in your database. Now, select a specific property that you think might be taking up unnecessary space, or doesn't require visibility at all times. This selection is key to organizing your view. Think about which properties you only need to see occasionally. Next, simply click on Hide for that property. This action will immediately conceal the property from your current view, helping create a sleeker, more organized interface. Remember, this doesn't delete the property. It merely hides it from view, making your workspace more efficient and visually manageable. Should you wish to redisplay any hidden properties, Notion makes it just as simple to unhide them. By toggling the visibility settings, you can always bring back hidden properties whenever you need to see them again. This flexibility is one of Notion's greatest strengths, allowing you to customize your views according to your workflow needs. There you have it, a straightforward and easy method for hiding and unhiding properties in Notion. This process not only helps in decluttering your space, but also ensures you have quick access to the most pertinent information without unnecessary distractions. By keeping your workspace organized, you can enhance focus and productivity, making your Notion experience all the more rewarding. Feel free to go back and adjust as often as necessary, as your needs and projects evolve. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and I hope you have fun customizing your Notion workspace. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to check out our other Notion tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy organizing!